viewers, it is me, Travis, your boy, back with another video. And guess what, viewers? I have this blaster. Well, it is not Nerf from I got it from Leo Korea camping store. And I bought it last year. I was making videos with this gun last year a little bit, but I bought it again. And it has a twist bullets. Well, let's see at that tree. Look. Let's see at that tree. Whoa. Hi viewers, so this is me, Travis, in the back. I got the dark. I have sunburn and
really bad sunburn.
Really bad, and I got sick from it. If they say that you're sick from it, you should go to like urgent care or something. And so
yeah, but we're getting better, so I think we're gonna be okay. We just gotta rest at home. But meanwhile, we are here taking a break. No, we're at Trancas.
Oh, Trancas. And we are camping, and we got here at Trancas. But Trancas is like a camping place we just got from camping and stuff. So, woo! Oh no, police dog needs help. Dun 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 dun. Ow, Travis! Oh my God, I'm attacked by an alien. Look over there. I don't see anything, police dog. What are you talking about? He was just right there. I don't know what you're meaning, police dog, of an alien. Are you trying to prank me? No, I'm not trying to prank you, Travis. Travis, he is right behind you. I don't see anything. Travis, you have got to believe me. What? Alien! I am the alien from Jupiter, and I am the king of Jupiter, and I am going to get you, Travis, and police dog. Police dog! Nah, just stay right here because I'm scared. Okay, viewers, look. Ow! You know where you remind me of alien from Jupiter. What? My first ever bad guy that I fighted, and his name was the alien, and he wanted to take over my YouTube channel, but I said no, and I got him.
Oh.
Pass. Oh, I missed. You gotta like line it up. Ow! Ah! That bad guy alien from Jupiter. Ow! Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. I want to blow with you. Dun dun. Ow. Hey, ow. Get you, alien. Oh no, I'm out of bullets. Haha, you're out of bullets. You can't get me. Now I'm gonna rule the world. Dun 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 dun. I'm really scared of the alien, but I need to conquer my fear. Here, alien! Yay! Police dog got him! Okay, viewers, we're gonna get this alien free. Let's put him down here. I am going to get my revenge really soon, I promise. It is gonna come really soon. Okay, whatever you say, alien. Ow. My name is not alien. That was the other alien. My name is Pizza alien. Because I love pizza. Pizza alien. Okay, pizza alien, you're going to jail. Make sure to like this video and subscribe and hit that bell button for notifications. Or kick it if you know what I mean. Bye, guys!